Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome to the family. The other day, if you follow me on Instagram, you would have known that I had done a steam press for length check and also to clip my ends, and pretty much my curls haven't been the same because, you know, heat, natural hair, it's not really a good mixture. So today I'm doing a protein treatment and also a deep conditioner. And the protein treatment that we are reviewing is the keratin 2-minute reconstructor, and the deep treatment that we're doing is the ORS Hair Mayonnaise. So pretty much what we're trying to do is to see if my hair will revert back to its natural state. So stay tuned if you'd like to see the end result. Alright guys, I have already washed, detangled and sectioned my hair off. Now I'm using my towel just to get rid of the excess water out of my hair. We don't want the water dropping on our face because that don't cute. But anyway, now I am unraveling one of my twists and applying the product to my hair. But if you look closer, you can realize that my curls are looking a little bit loose, and that's the heat damage right there. I don't have loose curls, so that's the whole point of this video. We're trying to see if this product or these two products can actually replenish some of the strength within my hair follicles. But anyway, now I am just placing my shower cap on my head for about 20 minutes, and that is the end results of the protein treatment. And now we are going to go ahead and apply the deep conditioner to my hair. Yes, I did a smell test. I wanted to know if what I'm putting in my hair smells good, and it smells really nice. 10 out of 10 for smell. So I did the same process, but apparently I don't know who gave me that grand idea of not sectioning my hair off, but I didn't, so it was a little bit more difficult. But I mean, it's a learning process. You live and you learn. This YouTube thing, it's difficult, you know, but if you have a passion, you'll work towards it. Now that I'm finished with the process, I realized that my hair was more moisturized. The curls are more popping. It was easier to detangle and also very soft. So if you're interested in purchasing these products, they average about $3,500 in all. The Aphogee cost about $1,400 and the ORS cost about $910. So if you add that up and then you add the taxes, it averaged at about $3,500. You can purchase these products at any beauty supply store. I got mine at Discount Beauty Supply, which is located on Constant Spring Road in Kings Plaza. So that's it for me today. You can like, comment and subscribe and let me know what you think about the end results. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to the family. So today I will be reviewing two. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome back to. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel.